We're in Panguitch, Utah, and we're on Main Street here. And here's this massive door in the front of this with these massive windows. It says on it 1864, so that would be 15 years after Brigham Young got here. They're building this huge thing. Got a stone base foundation here, and you got this red brick. I'd say those are probably about 14 feet high, this is right here. And then it come around here, it's got another window just like the first. And then on the side, you got these windows been filled in. And it is a huge building with a huge ceiling in that first level. Here's another filled-in window, and another filled-in window, and another big old upper window, and has some stairs coming up into it here. Really interesting.